The ADA requires employers to accommodate qualified workers for disabilities. And there are more and more disabilities under the ADA for which physicians are prescribing the use of marijuana as part of the treatment. But federal courts have explicitly stated that the ADA does not protect illegal drug use. Marijuana remains a Schedule I drug under federal law. So that means that marijuana and its use, whether prescribed or not, is not protected under the ADA. In the Ninth Circuit, which covers California, that was reinstated in 2012 in a case titled James versus City of Costa Mesa. However, for recovering addicts, or again, if you see subsection B, 1 and 2, those individuals wishing to enter a drug rehab program, the ADA would then require the employer to accommodate. Ultimately, employers must be on the lookout because, as you can see, state and federal laws are not completely aligned here. Another section in the Labor Code is Section 96K. Employees engaging in lawful conduct occurring during non-working hours and away from the employer's place of business from adverse employment actions. So, as we read this and as we read Proposition 64, recreational use of marijuana, as long as it's during non-working hours and away from the employer's place of business, would be it's a lawful conduct, and therefore the employee will be protected from any adverse action. But what happens when the employee returns the next day or a couple days later, and he or she is still under the effects of marijuana and now is unable to perform the job or unable to do so in a safe manner? Now you get into almost a clash between Labor Code 96 and Labor Code 1025. You, as an employer, you would want clearly written policies. Vague policies are those that refer only to illegal and legal drugs and do not specifically mention marijuana and how the company addresses marijuana, because at this point, marijuana is both legal and illegal. Different states are dealing with this differently depending on the current state of the law in that particular jurisdiction.